Before installation, please confirm if the structure of your bike matches our wheel. The front fork opening requires about 10 cm. The socket groove opening requires about 1 cm. Use a plum blossom hex wrenches to remove the screws. The side of the outlet must be covered with a sponge pad. Place the disc brake pad with the lettering side up and align the 6 holes. Screw them to the appropriate position, but do not fully tighten them. Adjust the balance of the disc brake, and then lock the screws. Install the front wheel on the front fork. The brake disc is installed on the left side of the forward direction. The notch mark faces the handlebar. Placement of accessories on the side of the disc brake as shown in the figure. Here's the placement of accessories on the outlet side. Use hands to twist the anti-slip nut into the suitable position. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. If the wheel rub disc, it can be adjusted with hexagonal wrench. If you can't adjust these positions, ask for customer service help. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Fix the bottle battery holder on the frame, take out the screws and align the holes and tighten them. Put the bottle battery into the bottle battery holder. Align the hole and insert. Use the key to lock the bottle battery. Align the 9 core wires at both ends with the arrows and fasten them to the horizontal bar. The installation is complete now. For the APP usage tutorial, please check the APP usage video on our channel.